So I eat keto, just what works for me. It's what I prefer. So I'm often dehydrated. I don't know if you're the same way, but I get dehydrated a lot easier than I used to. So I rely on electrolyte drinks a lot. And I try lots of different brands. And one very important thing I need in an electrolyte drink is no sugar, because that fits into my keto lifestyle. I try to do no sugar if at all possible. So electrolyte drink with no sugar. There are lots of examples of brands that do this, and here is one. It's TREVI Enhanced Hydration, and this is the variety pack. And I've had a few of these now, and I definitely like them. It's definitely on the much sweeter side than other electrolyte drinks, and it kind of makes sense because it's 230 milligrams of sodium, which is essentially salt, where some of the other electrolyte drinks that I drink are up to 1,000 milligrams of sodium. So you can imagine that's going to taste a lot saltier. 1,000 milligrams versus 230 milligrams. So obviously the flavors and the sweetness is going to be a lot more noticeable when it doesn't have as much sodium as some of the other brands. So there is the right tool for the right job. And if you are into electrolyte drinks or want some electrolyte drinks that are a little bit lower on the sodium, maybe your palate really doesn't like the super salty electrolyte drinks and you want something that's a little bit sweeter and a little bit more flavorful. I mean, this stuff tastes like a Kool-Aid or like a fruit drink. It really does taste very sweet without having any sugar in it. So again, if that is what you're looking for, if you're looking for an electrolyte drink that tastes really good, maybe that your kids are going to like a little bit more than other brands, then this is one that I use and that I enjoy and that I would definitely recommend.